Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your data and help improve Pinterest's AI features, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable data use for Pinterest Canvas training on your mobile device, updated for 2025. Pinterest Canvas is Pinterest's in-house text-to-image AI model, designed to create more personalized and inspiring visuals by learning from the content users share and save. By allowing your data to be used, you're helping Pinterest's AI become smarter and more tailored to your interests, making your experience even better. Let's get started with the steps. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account for this to work smoothly. Next, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, tap your profile picture again at the top of the screen to access your account settings. From here, scroll down and look for the option labeled Privacy and Data. Tap on it to open your privacy settings. Now, under the section called Gen AI, you'll see a toggle labeled Use Your Data to train Pinterest Canvas. This is the setting that controls whether your publicly available pins and uploads can be used to help train Pinterest's AI models. To enable data use, simply tap the toggle so it turns on. That's it. You've now opted in to help Pinterest Canvas learn from your content, contributing to more creative and personalized results for you and the Pinterest community. Remember, you can always return to this setting if you change your mind. Pinterest allows you to opt out at any time by switching the toggle off, giving you full control over your data. By enabling this feature, you're playing a part in the evolution of Pinterest's AI, helping it deliver better recommendations and more visually engaging experiences for everyone. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Pinterest tips and tech tutorials. See you in the next video.